everyone. Today I am going to talk to you about plot. So today's goal is to be able to talk about plots, like your plot vocabulary words, while watching Mike's New Car, which you will see after we go over these notes. So first I want to talk to you about what plot is. Plot is what happens in a story. It's each of the individual events. So first you'll have the exposition, which is going to introduce your characters. Then the rising action, so the main events. A climax, which is the turning point of a story. A falling action, so the events that happen until the end. And then how the story comes to a close. Next word is exposition. In the exposition, the author will introduce the setting, characters, and the conflict. So here I have Mufasa and Simba, and it is showing where the story takes place and who the characters are and the problems that they have in The Lion King. So think of the exposition as like that once upon a time element. Next we have point of view, and this is the perspective that the story is told in. So if we have first person point of view, we use I. Second person is you. And third person, we use he, she, or it, and character names. Setting is the time and the place that the story takes place in. So, for example, here the sun is setting. So it is, let's say, 8 p.m. and you are at the beach. And that is the story's setting. Conflict is something happening, some kind of struggle between two fighting people or things. So this little orange dude is mad at the blue dude, and they are in conflict because they are fighting with each other. Next, we have rising action, and these are the main events of a story. This takes place right here on the plot mountain. So if you've seen The Lion King, the rising action leading up to the top of the mountain are Simba running away, becoming friends with Pumbaa, challenging Simba, or when Nala shows up and says, "You need to come back." And then Simba goes to Pride Rock and gets in a fight with Scar. So these are the main events that take place in a story on this part of the mountain. Next, we have the climax, and this is when you get to the top of the mountain. And it's the turning point of the story where things start to change. So these two fight with each other, and Simba kills or defeats Scar. The falling action is on this side of the mountain where things start coming down, and this will show how the main character solves the problem. So Simba kills Scar. Simba restores the Pride Land by coming to the throne. So there's one more and I couldn't see because of my face. The final one is the resolution, and this is the bottom of the mountain when everything's over. And this is your happily ever after. So this reveals the overall outcome of the story. So everybody lives happily ever after, there's no more problems, and the story ends. So there is a Quizlet, which I have given to you through Microsoft Teams that you can access to help you practice these words throughout the week. And we will come back and talk about the character part of those vocabulary words on Wednesday. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please email me or text me so that I can help you. Thank you.